Mga ka-G, naranasan nyo na bang tuwing umaattend kayo ng Mass o magbabasa ng Bible, para bang gumagaan yung pakiramdam nyo? It's like your heart is being renewed. Sa gospel natin today, habang ang mga disciples ay papuntang Emmaus, nakasalumuhan nila si Jesus nang di nila alam. Their eyes were opened only when He broke bread and opened the scriptures to them. Sabi dito, were not our hearts burning within us? Sa buhay, we often forget to look around and see Christ. Sa sobrang pagmamadali natin, sa sobrang busy natin, nalilimutan nating ma-appreciate yung mga nasa paligid natin. Kaya today, let's reflect on a scripture text. Not just simply reflect, but reflect with faith. G ka ba?